Hello viewers, in this video lecture, today we are going to talk about the job role of warehouse binner, class 9th, in which we are going to cover Unit 1, Supply Chain, Logistics and Warehousing, Session 2, Concepts of Logistics. Here are the important topics which we will be discussing in this video. Concepts of logistics, functions of logistics, subsectors in logistics, correlation of subsectors in logistics, relationship between logistics and warehousing. Now, we'll discuss in detail. First, concept of logistics. Logistics is the process of planning, implementing, and controlling procedures for the efficient and effective transportation and storage of goods. It includes services and related information from the point of view of origin to the point of consumption. International logistics is also known as global logistics. It focuses on how to manage and control overseas activities effectively as a single business unit. Therefore, companies should try to harness the value of overseas product, services, marketing, research and development, and turning them into competitive advantage. Next topic we have is functions of logistics. Functions of logistics: order processing, inventory control, warehouse management, transportation, material management and storage system, packaging, information. So let's discuss in detail. First, order processing. It is transaction between two parties, that is, purchase order placed by a buyer to a seller. The process document hold its own importance because it has direct relation with the order. This order document indicates order date and delivery date to the customer. Second, inventory control. Inventory control is the process of managing the inventory and striking the balance between customer and market. Third, warehousing. Warehousing is a place used for storage. The finished goods or raw materials are kept at this place. The features of warehousing are locality of warehouses and facilities, number of warehouses, size or mass or area of the warehouse, warehouse layout, ownership of warehouse, transportation. The physical movement of goods from one place to another is known as transportation of goods. Fifth, material management and storage system. The arrangement of goods in a specified area is known as material management and storage system. It emphasizes the storage of goods with suitable place in the warehouse. Sixth, packaging. Packaging is the function of protecting the goods in the physical distribution process. It extends the life of the product without any damage. Seventh, information. Information is shared from one place to another place by using information technology tools. Now, the next topic is subsector in logistics. As per the Logistics Sector Skill Council, there are 11 subsectors operating in the entire logistic process. Now, the detail of information about subsectors of logistics sector is elaborated as follows. First, warehousing, storage and packaging including tertiary packaging. Second, land transportation including commercial vehicle drivers for cargo. Third, cold storage or cold chain solutions. Fourth, courier and express industry. Fifth, e-commerce, e-logistics. It consists of A. Customer relation management, B. Information management. C. Transport distribution. D. Point of sale, multi-channel management. E. Finances, cash management. F. Sales and marketing. Sixth, port terminals, inland container depots, and container freight stations. Port terminals. A port is a location on a coast where ships can be docked and transfer people or cargo or from land. In second, inland container depots. Inland container depots, ICDs, are also called as dry ports, are prepared for handling and storage of containers. Containers freight stations, CFS, a facility where freight shipments are combined or deconsolidated and stored between transport legs. Seventh, air cargo handling, other than terminal side of operation. Eighth, freight forwarding and customs. Ninth, marine services, shipping and inland waterways. 10th, supply chain. 11th, liquid logistics. Correlation of subsectors in logistics. The subsector of logistics are interrelated. Each subsector is directly or indirectly interdependent. Logistics can help to facilitate the goods movement from starting to the end. Subsectors: warehousing, land transportation, cold chain solutions, courier and express industry, e-commerce, port terminals, air cargo, handling, freight forwarding and customs, marine services, shipping and inland waterways, supply chain, liquid logistics. Now, the next topic is relationship between logistics with warehousing. Logistics is the process of scheduling, supervising, and application of goods storage from starting to end. Warehousing is holding inventory in a specific location. Positive relation between logistics and warehousing is the equalizing point where things and ideas can be delivered from production point to the users, whereas the difference lies only in the aspects. Though these two aspects are of similar functions, which is the important part of the supply chain. We can also understand this concept with the help of an activity. Draw a flow chart containing the subsectors of warehousing industry. Material required: checklist, notepad, pen pencil, drawing sheet, color pencils, etc. Following procedure need to be followed. First, collect the materials required to make the flow chart. Second, draw a chart containing subsectors of warehousing on a sheet. Third, check the characteristics from the textbook and from what teacher taught in the class. Fourth, ensure about your work completion. Fifth, discuss with the classmates in presence of your teacher. Sixth, write the conclusion. After this, teacher should check the learning outcomes from this activity. Now viewers, let's summarize today's video content. Concepts of logistics, functions of logistics, subsectors in logistics, correlation of subsectors in logistics, relationship between logistics and warehousing. So, I suppose you have had a good learning experience watching this video. So keep watching and enjoy learning. Thank you.